how to retrieve deleted assignments in Google Classroom. So in this video, I'll show you how to retrieve deleted assignments in Google Classroom. So unfortunately, once an assignment is deleted in Google Classroom, it cannot be restored. Google does not currently offer a recovery or undo feature for deleted assignments. So what you can do instead is to go ahead and first check your Google Drive. If the assignment involve attached files like documents or slides, those may still exist in your Google Drive. So look in the classroom folder or search by file name. Now, second is to recreate the assignment. So if you have the original materials, you can manually recreate the assignment. Copy and paste any saved instructions or reuse attached files. Now, third thing you can do is to use version history. So if students submitted work via Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, you can view their version history to recover the lost content. Now, lastly, is to ask your students to resubmit the assignment. So if the assignment was deleted before grading, ask students to resubmit their work once you recreate it. So to avoid accidental deletions in the future, use the archive feature instead of deleting, and keep backup copies of assignments in Google Docs or Sheets. And that is how you can basically retrieve deleted assignments in Google Classroom. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.